Have you registered for the Advancing the Cardiovascular Care of the Oncology Patient virtual meeting? If so, this video tutorial will show you how to navigate the meeting site and make the most out of your virtual experience. How do I access the meeting? To begin, if you have already registered for Advancing the Cardiovascular Care of the Oncology Patient, you can navigate to the virtual meeting site in a few ways. In the welcome email sent to the email address you provided during registration, you can click the Log On button underneath Access the Digital Venue. You can also click Launch Virtual Course on the meetings listing page on acc.org, or you can simply type virtual.acc.org/CV Oncology directly into your web browser's address bar. Once there, you may be prompted to log in. Clicking either of the login buttons will temporarily redirect to acc.org, where you can log in using your acc.org credentials associated with registration. You will then be automatically taken back to the virtual meetings homepage. How do I navigate the virtual meeting website? From the homepage, you have a few options. On the top navigation bar, click the Agenda tab to view a page listing all on-demand and live events along with their dates and times. Click on the Sessions tab to view a page where you can access all virtual sessions for the meeting. Please note that if a session has not yet happened, a lock will appear when hovering over the thumbnail, as shown here. If two live sessions are occurring simultaneously, you will be able to choose which channel you wish to view. Note that all live sessions will be available on demand, either immediately or shortly after broadcast at this same location. Selecting the Posters tab will take you to a page with links to poster presentations on a wide variety of cardio-oncology topics. Clicking on a poster title will take you to the video recording of that presentation, and clicking Attachments underneath will allow you to download the poster itself. Lastly, the Engage tab will show you the many ways you can continue the discussion, share knowledge, and connect with other professionals in the cardio-oncology community, whether it's through social media, the cardio-oncology member section on acc.org, or the new JACC Cardio-Oncology Journal. How do I use the chat feature? During live webinars and live conference sessions on February 5th and 6th, you will be able to use the chat feature to ask presenters questions and interact with fellow participants. Live webinars and live sessions will happen on either WebEx Meetings or ACC Anywhere. On both of these platforms, live chat will be located in a window on the right-hand side of the screen as shown. How do I claim credits? The window for credit claiming opens on February 6th and closes on April 25th, 2021. If a session offers credit, the credit type is indicated underneath the session thumbnail and title, as shown here. To claim credit once the window has opened, go to the meeting homepage and click on the Evaluation and Credit Claim button in the right-hand box. This will lead you to a form which must be completed and submitted to claim credits. Please note that until February 6th, this button will be grayed out as shown. You will only be able to complete the evaluation and credit claim once, so please make sure you have finished your participation in the certified content you wish to claim credit for before proceeding.